What is up guys, Dan at the side. In this video I'm going to show you how to create two columns text in Canva. So first you need to head over to your Canva's website, and then you need to log in with your Canva account, and after that when you're redirected to the home page you need to select document. After selecting the document, in the new tab the document editor will open. So from here you just simply need to click on this plus icon, and after clicking on this plus icon you just need to search for columns, and after that you can choose simply columns, or if you want two columns, three or four columns, you can choose it from here. Let's say I want to choose two columns, so I'll click on this two columns, and after clicking on that, here you can see the two columns are visible. So you can just simply enter your text in these two columns, and this is how you can create two text columns in Canva, and you can also adjust the two columns according to your size. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.